Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, September the 13th, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session. So far, the Dow's up 66 points. The Russell 2000 is currently up pretty much flat. The S&P is up 4.25, and the Nasdaq is pretty much flat, down 10 cents. If we take a look at some of the key sectors here, starting off with the commodities first, we have U.S. sulfur crude oil down 33 cents. Gold GLDs down 79 cents. Gold miners, they're showing some strength today. They're up 12 cents a bit there. JJC copper's down 13 cents, and silver's down 3 cents. If we take a look at some of the key top sectors in the market today, we have agriculture stocks, the MOOs near the top of the ETF list. GDX gold miners are up close to 1% from the opening price. Volatility is catching a bid today, up 76.76% from the opening price. XLU, the utilities are catching a bid. Those are the top five. The bottom sectors in the market today are the coal stocks, KOL, down 1.3% from the opening price. XBI, XHB, and the FAZ, they're down about 0.5% from the opening price. FAZ being the inverse for the financials, showing us that the financials are showing some strength today. As far as the market goes here, let's go ahead and take a look. Starting off with the SPY today, you can see pretty much SPY was trading in a range on Tuesday and Wednesday. We came back and retested that 168.90 level, and you can see that it held yesterday for the lows, and today it held towards those lows as well. So now we're starting to hold support on top of prior resistance. Now it's acting as support around that 168.90. Definitely going to be a reference level to watch going forward. And if we could continue to hold above, say, this 169.25 area, we could get back above yesterday's opening price on the SPY. We can start making a move back up towards the highs here. It's looking pretty good. The Nasdaq was showing the weakest index today so far, but it did recover pretty nice here. I can see a nice little V-shaped recovery. He's trying to get back positive. As far as the IWM goes, the IWM here is trading in a range. You can see yesterday we had a little range, top of the range here, 104.60, and the bottom of the range is down here at 104.21. So trading in a range for the past day and a half here or so on the IWM. All right, as far as the ES goes, we got some interesting setup here on the ES. We gave out the levels in our live chat room. If you have not been there yet, it is mywallstreettv.com. You can see we had 1680 as resistance one on the ES. You can see we were not able to break and hold above 1680. They faded the market down, especially when the news came out around 9:55 for consumer sentiment and 10 o'clock for business inventories. That those numbers did not come in as expected, especially consumer sentiment. I believe came in as the lowest, and now you can see the market sold off and hit our support one level that we gave out around 1675, and now we're moving back up. Again, as long as we hold above the opening price and we trade sideways a bit, we could be looking for another move up here going into the weekend. There's not much fear in the market, as you can say, as the markets are recovering pretty nice off this little lows that we made today. As far as some stock plays goes, we do have some nice action going on in some of these equity names. We've been talking about, well, this morning we were looking at SWY, and that one's breaking out. I actually gave this one out to this chat room for a long around 28.30. That's where I'm long from. I'm long from 28.30. Nice cup and handle pattern on the 5-minute chart. Here's your cup. Here's your handle. And you can see on my screen here, well, I have 500 shares that are on right now. I'm down a little bit for the day, but hopefully we can make that back, as I have this position on right now that I gave out in the room to everybody. So we'll see how that plays out. Got chopped up a little bit in this GSVC, which was a play from the Twitter action. This one kind of chopped up around here in the open. And that's about it, guys. So got some decent plays today. A couple of stocks out there moving and shaking. The mining stocks are the ones catching a bid today, so keep an eye on that sector. Aside from that, have a great day. Short video for you here. Keep an eye on those names. They could push higher. The agriculture stocks are strong a little bit today as well. And the financials are coming up pretty well off the lows. So that's about it. Have a great weekend. Catch you guys for the weekend review, which should be out this weekend. Take care.